Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 face moisturizer for teens of 2021. The list starts from Neutrogen Oil-Free Daily Facial Moisturizer for Sensitive Skin, ultra-gentle and lightweight moisturizer is free. It's specially formulated for sensitive skin. This moisturizer is both lightweight, oil-free and ultra-gentle. Its gentle formula is hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, oil-free and alcohol-free. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Aveeno Clear Complexion Salicylic Acid Acne Fighting Daily Face Moisturizer with Total Soy Complex. It features the dermatologist recommended acne fighting ingredient of salicylic acid to clear up existing blemishes and help prevent future breakouts. It's the unique acne moisturizer formula oil-free, non-comedogenic, and hypoallergenic. It is fast absorbing and is gentle for sensitive skin. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Tea Tree Oil Face Cream for Oily, Acne-Prone Skin Care Natural. It's as safe as it is effective. Our natural face cream is non-comedogenic, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. To make sure people with sensitive skin can use it, it's also paraben-free, non-toxic, no hormone disruptors and gentle yet effective. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one, Neutrogen Oil-Free Moisture Daily Hydrating Facial Moisturizer and Neck Cream with Glycerin. Its oil-free formula absorbs quickly into skin, eliminating dryness without leaving skin greasy or shiny. It is also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores which can cause breakouts. Its gentle moisturizer is specially designed for sensitive skin. It features a hypoallergenic formula that is free of fragrances, alcohol, and dyes. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Clean and Clear Daily Acne Skincare Essential Set with Foaming Facial Cleanser, Deep. It's designed for easy acne-prone skin care. This 3-step routine includes a foaming face wash, astringent and face moisturizer, designed to help keep acne under control and skin looking clear. Its Clean and Clear Deep Cleaning astringent tones, treats and helps prevent pimples. Its oil-free formula thoroughly cleans pores to help treat and prevent breakouts. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Tea Tree Oil Face Cream by Majestic Pure Therapeutic Grade, Infused. It's carefully crafted with the finest and 100% pure tea tree oil from Australia and other wonderful ingredients to purify skin for clear, supple, and youthful look. It's contained 5% concentration of tea tree oil, non-greasy, easily applied and rapidly absorbed multi-purpose cream, is suitable for face and neck. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Customers are king and according to them one should buy this one Neutralize Renewal Complex, Maximum Strength Anti-Acne Anti-Aging Moisturizer Cream. It works great for adults and teens all skin tones. This award-winning low pH formulation with advanced oil control provides clinically proven all-natural ingredients to keep your skin hydrated while constantly improving skin elasticity. Corrects uneven skin tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, keeps pores clean to prevent future breakouts. It reduces redness irritation to visibly improve complexion. Neutralize is based on multi-patented nitrogen boost skincare technology, the world's first acne solution to add the power of nitric oxide, which promotes skin healing to help get rid of acne quickly. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Neutrogen Oil-Free Moisture Glycerin Face Moisturizer and Neck Cream derived from castor. Its clinically proven oil absorbing system controls oil and shine in the T-zone, or wherever skin is oily. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. According to reviews, the second best product is Kid Skin Calming Moisturizer for kids and preteens with dry, oily, acne skin. Its gentle, non-greasy, non-comedogenic lotion calms and soothes all skin conditions,